XRP holders, do not panic. All right, so we see right now that the market cap is down almost 4 points, a lot more than it's been dropping recently. And I don't want you guys to panic because this isn't a huge deal where crypto is crashing again. Don't be thinking, oh, the market cap could go down to 2 trillion right now. That's not going to happen right now. So specifically, we see XRP dropped a lot more than we've seen it drop. In the past 24 hours, it's down a little bit more than 2 points. And we saw that before this, XRP was kind of in this $1.40 range, mid to high $1.40 range. So it has dropped a little bit more than we've kind of expected. And it's dropped to around $1.35, and the market cap has taken a little bit of a chunk out of it. And so I kind of asked ChatGPT, why is this happening? Why is crypto dropping more today than any other day? Because before this, we were not really dropping a whole lot. We were kind of going up a little bit, down a little bit, not a whole lot of movement, but a little bit more today. So it's macroeconomic and market uncertainty, which we've been having a lot of. U.S. tariff uncertainty. Announcements about increased global tariffs by the U.S. have shaken investor confidence. Risk on assets like crypto are often hit first when macro sentiment turns negative. So traders are selling riskier assets, which are crypto and stocks, and moving into safer ones like gold. We always see this. This is a reoccurring thing that always happens. And we also have that, if you're watching my last video, I was talking about the U.S. and Iran, that whole situation, that's raising uncertainty. And we're getting closer to the date of March 1st, currently February 23rd. March 1st is when we'll hear what is going to happen, hear the negotiations on what Iran is looking to do, if they're looking to settle down and make an agreement with the U.S., or if they're not going to settle down, which would ultimately cause the U.S. to invade Iran and would crash the crypto market, because wars and political instability, global instability, is not good for crypto. We saw this in Russia and Ukraine. Russia invaded Ukraine. Crypto crash. So uncertainty is just continuing to build. And I'll get to talking more about these other things that are kind of impacting why crypto is dropping more today. But it's also because of the uncertainty of this global conflict that it's approaching. We're around 6 days out from this announcement. So guys, people are moving the money out of crypto because they're scared of what could possibly happen on March 1st, how that could impact their investments. Because it either goes two ways. Things go very negative for crypto, or things stay the same for crypto. So there's not really a positive side coming out of this event on March 1st. So number 2, technical levels and liquidations. Bitcoin broke key support. When Bitcoin dips below critical price levels, like around 65,000, it triggers automatic sell-offs and liquidations of leveraged positions, which accelerates the drop. And everything else usually falls behind Bitcoin, guys. XRP will fall behind Bitcoin. Ethereum will fall behind Bitcoin. Everything kind of trails Bitcoin because Bitcoin holds the majority of the market cap. Everything's going to follow what happens to it. So heavy liquidations. Millions in leveraged positions are being wiped out as prices fall. So weak institutional demand, ETF outflows, Bitcoin and other crypto ETFs are seeing more money flowing out than in, which has been a constant theme right now because we got nothing positive happening, which reduces overall buying demand. There's no really demand or interest, heavy interest in the market right now because things just aren't looking great, and we have no positive catalyst as of right now to push us out of the hole that we've kind of been dug in. So right now, there's no interest in investing in crypto when it's down right now. Nobody's happy or excited to get into crypto right now because it's not up. It will be in the future, guys. We all know that crypto will prevail and ultimately kind of win this battle, but it's a matter of time. And right now, things just aren't interesting enough for common investors to put their money into crypto instead of something safer like gold. Crypto is known to be a riskier asset, so people are scared and uncertain right now, so they're taking their money out of crypto and putting it into things they view as safer. And so reduce institutional confidence. Larger investors are trimming risk exposure amid broader economic uncertainty. So extreme fear readings, sentiment indicators like the fear and greed index are showing heightened fear, a sign many traders are selling. When fear spikes, volatility increases and downward price swings often intensify. That's what we're seeing right now. It's exactly what we're seeing right now. So most altcoins tend to track Bitcoin's movement. When Bitcoin drops, small cryptos often fall even harder. And we kind of go over here, look at it. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours, yes, it has dropped almost 5%. But guys, everything else is tanking alongside Bitcoin. XRP has dropped a good amount. And it's also because of when Bitcoin falls, XRP will drop, Ethereum will drop. And this always happens. This is nothing new. But the main point is, guys, that there's a lot of uncertainty right now with tariffs and all these different things that I've just talked about. But also a big part of it is because this U.S.-Iran conflict, that people are scared because they don't know what's going to happen. And when people don't know what's going to happen, what does that raise? Uncertainty. What does uncertainty bring? people pulling their liquidity and their money out of crypto because they're scared. It's that simple, guys. And so we really have nothing pushing the liquidity and the people's money back into the crypto market. Nothing positive happening right now, guys. There's just been a negative thing that hit us. We've crashed, and now there's nothing to dig us back up. There's nothing to help us come out of this hole. And so right now we just keep facing little things that keep keeping us in this hole and pushing us a little bit farther down each time. And so there's nothing we can do, guys, except kind of fight this and just stay patient and stay calm and kind of just, yeah, stay patient, stay calm, not be scared. And so it kind of sucks because I wish I could be on here talking about what crazy positive things are happening right now and that how XRP is at $5 to $10. And it will come in the future. I know it will, guys. I'm still confident. But right now, guys, just nothing great is happening or will be happening right now. And it sucks, guys. But really, that's all I can give you guys. All the information that I just gave you guys is all that I got, guys. I got no good news, really. And it sucks because I wish I could have some. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys right now. Remember, if you like what I'm doing, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. I know it's a tough time, guys, but we're in this together. We got to stick together, and we got to be strong together. And I really appreciate all your guys' time and support, and it means the world to me, guys. And have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.